In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or add a favicon, the little icon in the browser tab, in your Shopify store using a desktop. A favicon is that tiny image you see next to a page title in your browser tab. It helps customers recognize your brand at a glance and makes your store look more polished. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have your icon in place. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin on your desktop. On the left-hand side, go to Online Store, then click Themes. This is where all of your store's design settings live. Find the theme you're currently using and click Customize. That opens the theme editor, where you can adjust visuals and settings for your storefront. Inside the theme editor, look at the left sidebar and click the Theme Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Depending on your theme, the favicon setting might be grouped under favicon or under logo. Both places lead you to the same goal, so choose the one you see. In the favicon image section, click Select Image. You'll now decide whether to use an image you've already uploaded to your Shopify files or to upload a new one from your computer. If you already have a brand mark or a simple version of your logo saved, that usually works best. Aim for a square image, ideally a PNG with a transparent background, so it looks crisp at small sizes. Favicons are tiny in the browser, so keep the design simple, high contrast, and recognizable even at a glance. If your theme supports it, you'll see an option to add alt text. While favicons are mostly decorative, adding a short, descriptive alt text can be helpful for accessibility and organization. Keep it brief, like your brand name or store icon. Once you've chosen the image, click Done. Before leaving the editor, make sure to click Save in the top right so your changes apply to the live theme. Without saving, the favicon won't update on your storefront. That's it for the steps. A few quick tips to make your favicon look its best. Square images work better than rectangles, and a minimum of 32 by 32 pixels is fine, though higher resolution like 256 by 256 or 512 by 512 scales nicely. Avoid tiny text or complex details, since they won't be legible at tab size. After saving, the new favicon may take a moment to appear in your browser tabs, especially if a tab was already open. You've now updated your Shopify favicon on desktop, giving your store a cleaner, more professional look.